Hello dear students, welcome to the chemistry session. Very good afternoon to everybody. Let us today we are discussing the part from this is coordination compound. It's what the metal carbonyl and metal nitrosyl. Metal carbonyl and what you can say metal nitrosyl. Metal nitrosyl. So what is the idea about the metal carbonyl and metal nitrosyl? Very simple concept. देखो मेटल कार्बोनिल मतलब क्या है? एक कार्बोनिल लिगैंड है. कौन है? CO एज अ लिगैंड. ये एक लिगैंड है ना. और यहाँ पे नाइट्रोसिल ये भी क्या है? एक लिगैंड है. नाइट्रोसिल एज अ लिगैंड है ना. ये भी एक लिगैंड है. So what happened here? The bond present between here metal and nitrosyl. Bond present between metal and nitrosyl. अब bond present between what? metal and nitrosyl की बात करेंगे तो metal कौन सा होना चाहिए? यहाँ पे Tm होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे भी Tm होना चाहिए. Tm मतलब transition metal. So what I can say, this is the metal carbonyl or the bond present between metal and carbonyl as a ligand. Carbonyl as a ligand is directly bonded to metal. Transition metal is known as metal carbonyl. Is known as metal carbonyl. So the discovery, this history of this metal carbonyl and metal nitrosyl is had in 1984. What I can say? In 1984, the discovery of this word by scientist Ludwig Mons. किसने डिस्कवर किया था? Scientist Ludwig Mons. So this is the first nickel tetracarbonyl NiCO4. This is what a first metal carbonyl complex nickel tetracarbonyl nickel. This was the first metal carbonyl complex. This is the first metal carbonyl complexes when it is heated in the presence of iron. यहाँ पे इस निकेल टेट्राकार्बोनिल को what I can say? निकेल tetracarbonyl as complexes which are heated in the presence of iron as a catalyst and formation of the pure nickel. यहाँ पे प्योर निकेल फॉर्मेशन होता है जब निकेल टेट्राकार्बोनिल को हीट किया जाता है. सो दैट इज हाउ formation of pure nickel. Such types of the process is known as Mons process. Is known as what? Mons process. इसी प्रोसेस को Mons process कहा जाता है. So यहाँ पे डिस्कवरी 1984 Ludwig Mons, the first nickel tetracarbonyl complexes were discovered, and what we can say, this is when heated with iron in the presence of iron and formation of the pure nickel. इसी को कहा जाता है Mons process. So that is the first nickel tetracarbonyl. This is writing. This is what is the shape, what is the geometry, what is the shape and what is the geometry of the these types of the complexes. I am writing. This is what CO is how many? 4 CO. This is what 4 CO is there. 4 CO is there. So I am writing. This is the C triple bond is here. C triple bond is here. So this is what 4 CO. So this is how nickel tetracarbonyl. This is the metal atom. This is what we can say. This is a metal, transition metal, and this is a 4 ligand. The bond present between metal, transition metal, and carbonyl as a ligand. Particular carbonyl as a ligand is known as metal carbonyl complex. Is known as metal carbonyl complex. So here the part of this is the we can say this is what metal carbonyl complexes having the two types. What is that? Two types is there, mononuclear and polynuclear. This is depending upon what I can say. This is what depending upon a number of transition metal atom present in complex. So that is the first class, first types. We can say mononuclear. This is what polynuclear. Mononuclear mononuclear, and this one is what a polynuclear metal carbonyl complex. What you can say? Metal carbonyl complex. So this is a mononuclear and this one is a polynuclear metal carbonyl complex. Means what? Mono means single. That is not a single or one. So one or transition metal is present. One transition metal is present in a complexes, that is metal carbonyl complexes, is known as mononuclear carbonyl complexes. What I can say? One metal or single transition metal is present in a metal carbonyl complexes is known as a mononuclear carbonyl complexes. For example, हम यहाँ पे example की बात करेंगे. That is what? Nickel. So that is nothing but mononuclear, polynuclear, having the zero oxidation state and having the geometry and this geometry is well defined and this is the restricted. So that one of the example NiCO4, nickel tetracarbonyl, FeCO5, FeCO5. Third one, that is what a CrCO6, we can say CrCO, chromium. CrCO6 is there. So this is what a metal carbonyl complexes. What is that? So that is what mononuclear. So another types of the example we will see. This is mononuclear. We will write here mononuclear is that. Example number 4th. That is what palladium, PdCO4 is there. Again, 5th one example, ruthenium, osmium, we can say tungsten. This 6th one and this 7th one example we can say ruthenium, CO, osmium, CO, tungsten, CO, 5 times. This is nothing but what? Ruthenium, tungsten, osmium and tungsten. So these are having keep in mind this sort of carbonyl as a ligand है ना. यहाँ पे कार्बोनिल लिगेंड है लेकिन यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट क्या है? सिंगल मेटल एटम है. देखो यहाँ पे एक मेटल एटम है, यहाँ पे एक मेटल है, यहाँ पे मेटल है, यहाँ पे एक ट्रांजिशन मेटल है. हर एक में सिंगल ट्रांजिशन मेटल एटम है ना. हर एक में सिंगल ट्रांजिशन मेटल एटम है which is directly attached to carbonyl as a ligand. So this is what a tetrahedral. This is the pentagonal bipyramidal, octahedral, square. This is we can say square planar. Cu we can say this another type of example. CO taken. This is the positive charge is here. So that is the 5 times is here. We can say this is the 4 times is here. So these are the complexes and the geometrical. We can say this. We can say this is the shape or the geometry of the molecule. It is nothing but tetrahedral. This is the square. This is the trigonal bipyramidal, octahedral, square planar, pentagonal is the trigonal bipyramidal. So pentagonal is there, trigonal bipyramidal. So these are the mononuclear metal carbonyl complexes. So zero oxidation state, geometry having the well defined and the restricted. See again why are going to the polynuclear metal carbonyl complexes. What is the polynuclear? More than one metal. See here the more than one transition metal. Again the definition, this is the more than one transition metal. More than one transition metal is directly attached or present. We can say the present in metal carbonyl complexes is present. We can say is present in metal carbonyl complexes. Is present in metal carbonyl complexes. So this is nothing but what? Polynuclear metal carbonyl complexes. तो कौन से एग्जांपल है पॉलीन्यूक्लियर के? We are moving this what Mn2, that is what the example are. This is the polynuclear Mn2CO10. Mn2CO10 is one of the example. Second example Fe2CO9. So that is third one example manganese iron, and this is what CO2CO8, Fe2CO9, Mn2CO10. So these are known as what a polynuclear metal carbonyl complexes. Why polynuclear? More than one metal is present. Not only two but also three metal is also. So that is nothing but carbonyl as a ligand is directly attached to what a two or more than two transition metal is nothing but what a polynuclear metal carbonyl complex. So here we will explain the part of one example of this polynuclear. For example, here you can take this Fe. So there is a two Fe is there, iron. Here another you can take this Fe. There is a two transition metals. I am writing this is a CO as a ligand. They directly attached to carbonyl as a complex. You can start this sort of C triple bond is there. C triple bond O. This directly attached to central metal. This having shown in this is the bridge ligand is there. 1, 2, 3 is there. So here 1, 2 and 3. So that is how we are explaining this is the side ligand. This is the three side ligand is there. I am writing not only this way or you can say directly on a bond. We see the triple bond is here, triple bond is here, triple bond is here. So that is how triple bond is here. So that is same similar is that you can writing this is the C triple bond O, C triple bond O. So that is how I am writing this is what well defined is there. C triple bond O. So this is what this is the polynuclear complexes. That is the formula Fe2CO9. Fe2CO9. So this is what a polynuclear metal carbonyl complex is. The bond present between what carbonyl as a ligand and transition metals. That is the more than one transition metal. So this is what I am writing. This is what this bridge ligand. So this is what a bridge ligand. इसको कौन से ligand कहते हैं? BRIDGE. So that is nothing but a bridge ligand. तो यहाँ पे तीन bridge ligand है and 6 क्या है? Side ligand है. So that is nothing but ligand. Carbonyl as a ligand is directly attached to transition metal. More than one transition metal is known as what? Is known as what? Mono, that is polynuclear metal carbonyl complexes. Polynuclear metal carbonyl complexes. Then we are going to the next part. Nitrosyl is there. Nitrosyl. What do you mean by what is the idea about the nitrosyl? So the nitrosyl, I will say